Hello, my name is Bethany Stahl, and I am a full-time author and illustrator. This YouTube channel is dedicated to giving you tips and tricks about self-publishing so you are able to make your dream into a reality, whether that is for extra side income or just for fun, or if you want to let this become your career. Any way you want to take your journey, I am here to help you along the way with things I've learned, with things I've wished I knew, and with new things I am trying. So I really hope this channel is beneficial to you and your journey. If it is, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So I do want to let you all know about something that is new and really exciting. So if you are familiar, I do have my Patreon page at patreon.com/BethanyStahl. I have my self-pub squad where I give them additional documents, Excel spreadsheets, contracts, behind the scenes videos, and much more. So if you are interested in joining, you can join the self-pub squad. But something new that I've just created is the workshop squad. So this squad is for those of you who are looking for additional help in your journey. Once a month, we will be doing a live stream session where I will talk with only those of you in the workshop squad where we can work together one-on-one about things that are pertinent in your self-publishing journey. So this month on March 23rd at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we will be going over websites. So I will be going through each of your websites and looking at them and letting you know if there's anything that may need to be changed or tweaked or what you are doing absolutely amazing at. So websites are one of those things that is just like an author resume that really tells all of your information to somebody who has just found you. A lot of news sources and bookstores will come here to get information about you and use that when writing about you. I cannot tell you how many times I have seen an article written about me, or if somebody has made a flyer for an in-person event and they have copy and pasted things directly off of my website. So you will really want to make sure it is well written and is written in a third person and is very presentable and easy to use, because people are going to come to your website for information and it should provide all of that information for them. So if you want to have your website critiqued, go ahead and join the workshop squad. So you are welcome to come and go as you please as topics arise that you may be interested in. And when you do join, you will have access to all of the past workshops. So if you've missed one, don't worry, you are able to go back and see what was covered. I'm excited to bring you guys additional information and additional help through Patreon, so thank you for your support, thank you for watching YouTube, and thank you for being a part of my Patreon team. I will see you all in the next video. I hope you have a great week. Bye! If you are looking for more information about publishing, go over to bethanystahl.com/classes to see a huge collection of information that I have gathered for you, separated out into topics. Now, most of these classes are free to access, but there are a few that are exclusive to my self-pub patrons. If you do want to join that, go over to patreon.com/bethanystahl, where you can join and get access to the classes as well as other behind-the-scenes tips, tricks, and documents that are exclusive to that squad. If you are trying to get into contact with me to ask questions, the best place to do that would be Patreon. I do see all of those messages and comments first, and I am able to reply to those almost immediately. So that is the best place for more individualized help. I hope this video has helped, and I will see you all next time.